Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your status on the Slack application, meaning that you can select whether you are active, inactive or busy on the Slack. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the U option down below, which is the last option, and after that tap on what's your status. Here you can see that you have 5 options, such as in a meeting, commuting, out sick, vacationing or working remotely. So tap on the relevant one, and as you can see, if you want to change the title of the current status that you have selected, at the top you can delete it and type in whatever you want. And here below this you have this clear after, meaning that you can select whether you would like to clear this status after, for example, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, today, this week, or custom it. So you can select the date, meaning that, for example, if you set it to 1 hour, it means that if you are a 1 hour meeting, then your status will be cleared after your meeting is done. Tap on the check mark icon in the upper right corner of this section, and as you can see, your status has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.